I was like, do I still have them on? Golly, like I felt it playing with it. I was like, man, it feels kind of big. Just putting slack in my line.
He was in this rock, right?
Yeah, I popped it off a tree limb. It's just like, doom, doom. Golly. There's a freaking fish. What the crap? That was a giant. That was another freaking giant. Mother. I'm tired of this shit. What is up, guys? Good morning. I'm sure it's not morning if you guys are watching this. But today I'm at Kentucky Lake on a guide trip. Second day of the guide trip. I didn't do an intro yesterday. I just want to focus on fishing. I kind of want to listen to Scott because he's good. I like him a lot. But we're on Kentucky Lake, like I said. Fishing's been pretty good. We probably had a 12-pound bag yesterday, but we only had 4 fish. Probably had a 15-pound bag, rather. But today we're heading out with the same guy. I'm going to do some bank fishing while we're waiting on him. See you guys there. Biggin?
Oh, he's got it. Good job, dude. Go ahead, you can get the net, dude. I got your rod. Good job, dude. Show us a big one, brother.
Please let him out be a catfish.
Don't give him any slack. Don't give, because I didn't see a monster hook set. We want him in the boat, man. Picture fish there, bro. Keep him coming. There he is. You know, you wasn't sure. That's a good one, dude. That's a solid 4.5, dude. We're getting there. We almost got a big old sack, fellas.
Yeah. I was dragging it. I was like, huh? I was seeing my line. That's what. See my line swimming. I was like,
let me see your worm, dude. I'll get a hook back on there for you. Nice. Nice. That was good, man. That's what we're here.
Cleanup crew there.
Yeah, he was back here saying it, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's just all quiet.
Isn't that something, though? I mean, you know. Got it good. Biggin? Oh,
yeah,
his boat out.
Yeah, he's a, oh boy.
Take your time, and I'm going to get that net.
Big biggin.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. I want to see a hog, though. No boats around us, and that's a really good thing. So he may want to fight when he gets in here. Who knows? Keep him real tight, dude, so he no slack.
There's on the drop.
Well, we weren't to drop a frickin' catfish.
Oh dang!
You'd leave that. Oh, fish.
He ate it, dude. Holy crap.
You know what? I just put that scent in there.
Yeah, you did.
Damn, that boat's everywhere. There's a boat behind us. Some of these guys are experts at watching everybody. I never watch people fish. How you gonna fish if you're watching people? Oh, that was cool.
Need net?
I don't think that was a big one, but you never know.
Oh yeah, that's a
keeper.
Yeah,
that's a keeper fish. Right in here, they were fighting really good right where we're sitting.
Oh, you want to flip it?
No, go ahead. You can let him. He's already in.
All right.
Barely a keeper. That one's a little skinnier. I'll go ahead and throw right out there.
had like a dog down below their house today on that was at the house. I can see that.
Yeah, he's just a flaming ass.
No, it's alright. If you spend a day with my papa. If you spend a day with my papa,
you make me feel better.
Yeah.
He was cussing out the freaking GPS on the
Yeah.
Was he? No shit.
Yeah.
I used to do that, man. When I first started using GPS, it was a shout all the time. You lying such and such. You just told me to turn the wrong spot. I'm about ready to come through here and slap
But
you.
he's like, do it the program. Yeah. Me and Jake was from back there trying not to laugh.
Shout